Hey guys, I've got a box of lime jello and some Cool Whip, and I've got a can of crushed pineapple that I've drained. Put the whole thing in here. Look at that green color, it's looking so good. I'm gonna mix this together. I make this all the time for Irish holidays. Mix this all together. That lime jello smells so good. And those little bits of pineapple are like little bits of gold. To up that pineapple flavor, we're gonna be adding this cottage cheese with pineapple. We only need half of this container. Use large curd or small curd, whichever one you prefer. Then mix that in as well. If you guys have any plans for St. Patty's Day this year, let me know. I'm gonna add one whole container of marshmallow fluff. I love marshmallows, so this is like a really, really perfect flavor. Use the entire 7-ounce container. Mix that in as well. See how fluffy it's getting? Looks so good. I'm gonna add an entire bag. This is a 8-ounce bag of coconut flakes that are sweetened. Put that in there as well. Once that's combined, we're gonna be adding these Lucky Charms marshmallows. Just half a bag. Look at all those colors, it's so pretty. And mix that in, kind of gently. And then we're gonna add the rest of that bag as well. If you put it all in at the same time, it doesn't mix very well. So do this in stages. We are gonna come in and add this entire 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. Again, we're gonna start with half. And then we're gonna add the rest. This is such a good salad, guys. Never had anybody turn it down every time I make this. Make it look super perfect for St. Patrick's Day. I've got some gold sanding sugar because we need a little bit of gold on top of our salad. Some extra luck. Got these rainbow sour belts because that's what leads to the pot of gold. Go right in here, make sure I get a marshmallow and one of those Lucky Charms marshmallows as well. That is a good salad. Should make it for St. Patrick's Day, everybody will love it.